Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create rolling and credits in CapCut. For that you will have to launch CapCut, and after that you will have to import your videos. Then you will have to select the videos and you will have to drag them into this timeline. After that you need to hover over to the text and you will have to click on text. Then you need to make sure that you are on add text. After that you will have to click on this plus icon in order to add this default text into the timeline, or you can even drag it and drop it into this timeline. Now over here you will have to double click on it, and here you will have to select the text and you will have to change the text. So let's say I want to add it over here as credit. After that you will have to enter the credit details. Then you will have to select it and you will have to adjust its size. So let's say I want to keep it like this. Now in order to roll it you will have to select its position. So for that you will have to place it like this. This will be its initial position. After that you are going to see a bunch of different options in the right hand side over here. So you just have to scroll down and keep on scrolling down until you find this position and size section. Now over here you just have to scroll down, and right next to position you are going to see this keyframe. So you will have to add this keyframe, and as you can see over here that there is a keyframe that is added at the beginning of this text. After that you will have to drag it into the end of the video, and then you will have to place its end position. So let's say this is the end position. So you will have to place the end position of this text, and as you can see over here that it has automatically taken the end frame. Now if I play it you will see that the credits is now rolling. Now if you want to make it slow, then what you can do is you can simply select the text, and after that you just have to make it longer. After that you will have to click on this keyframe and then you will have to paste it over here. Now if I play it you will see that the credits are now rolling very slowly in CapCut. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.